Want to know why different communities get driven to Mississauga? Get ready for an exciting ride as I show you the 7 neighborhoods that best capture the spirit of this lively city. Hi, my name is Tarlika Sehgal, and in this video we will discuss the top 7 neighborhoods in Mississauga. Stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss anything fun. Starting with number 7, let's talk about Erindale. Imagine a beautiful place that has a lot of fun things to do. No, I'm not talking about the Garden of Eden from Paradise Lost. Instead, I'm talking about Erindale. It is a hidden gem in the middle of Mississauga's busy downtown. Erindale is known for its beautiful scenery and lush greenery. Its many parks are a draw for both locals and tourists, with Erindale Park standing out as a peaceful heaven for nature lovers. In addition to its beautiful scenery, Erindale has a wide range of housing choices to suit different tastes and lifestyles. The neighborhood has a wide range of homes, from cute single-family homes to fancy mansions. Each one has its own unique charm. With an average price of 1.6 million for a standalone home, Erindale offers a peaceful, convenient and classic home for those who want to live there. Coming at number 6, let's talk about StreetsVille. We all watched movies where people lived in those small towns where everyone knew one another. If you crave such a neighborhood, then perhaps StreetsVille is for you. It is in the middle of Mississauga and has a unique mix of old world charm and modern ease, shown by its historic streets and small shops. The town comes to life every year with fun events like famous Bread and Honey Festival, which brings together locals and tourists to celebrate. Although most of the homes in StreetsVille are older and full of character, there is a rising trend of custom-built homes that add a touch of modern elegance to the area's traditional look. StreetsVille has a great mix of old and new, with average home prices running from 1.35 million for detached homes to 859,000 for condo townhouses. It's a popular place for people who want to live the classic suburban life. Moving on to number 5, let's talk about Lorne Park. Who doesn't like luxury? Lorne Park is a symbol of high-class life in Mississauga. It is surrounded by lush greenery and beautiful scenery. This prestigious neighborhood is known for its private living areas that are perfect for people who want the height of luxury and sophistication. Lorne Park caters to the sophisticated tastes of its residents by offering a peaceful atmosphere and being close to many useful services such as high-end shopping, malls and gourmet food restaurants. Also, the fact it is close to some of the best schools in the country makes it even more appealing to families who want the best in academics. With its focus on high-end living and unmatched quality of life, Lorne Park is the best place to go for people who want to live in the most elegant and refined suburbs. Coming at number 4, let's talk about Churchill Meadows. Churchill Meadows is a great example of how to live in a modern neighborhood area. It is right in the middle of Mississauga. This lively area is known for being safe and family friendly, and it's peaceful heaven in the middle of the busy city. Churchill Meadows has a lot to offer its residents, such as large parks, beautiful trails, modern community centers. These features meet a wide range of needs and help people like they fit in the community. This lively area has a wide range of housing choices, from large detached homes to cozy condo apartments, so there is something for everyone. Churchill Meadows is becoming a popular place to live for people who want the best of comfort, convenience and modern life. This is reflected in the average prices. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about City Centre. This is what City Centre looks like. The center of Mississauga, full of life and energy. It's where the city comes to life, with its tall office buildings, busy entertainment spots, and famed Square One shopping center. Everything is here, from parks to places to learn about art. Every turn is like a new journey, with something new to find. City Centre has a great vibe that you can feel whether you're walking around or just hanging out in a park. It's not just a downtown area, it's a lively neighborhood waiting for you to join in the fun. Coming at number 2, let's talk about Meadowvale. Meadowvale has its own charm and potential that haven't been fully explored yet because it isn't as well known as other areas like StreetsVille. This part of the city that wasn't well known before has changed a lot, is now busy with new life and energy. Meadowvale is a great place for outdoor enthusiasts because it has a mix of densely populated areas and immaculately kept homes. It also has a lot of room, endless trails, and 2 hidden lakes. The area is more appealing now that the Meadowvale Community Centre and the nearby Lisgar have been built. They offer modern conveniences and urban retreats like Union Park at Aquitaine and 10th Line. Meadowvale offers a great mix of peace and modern living, whether you're looking for a fitness route around Lake Aquitaine or want to check out the lively community life. Last but not the least, at number 1, let's talk about Port Credit. If I don't name this neighborhood, it would be doing injustice to it. Along the beautiful shores of Lake Ontario, Port Credit is a lively and lovely Mississauga neighborhood that draws in both locals and tourists. Port Credit is known for its waterfront location, small shops, and wide range of dining choices. It has a special mix of natural beauty and city conveniences. There's always something new to see and do in Port Credit, from taking a slow walk along the waterfront trail to dining out at one of the town's great restaurants. Port Credit is a perfect place to live on the water in Mississauga. It has a busy harbour, lots of fun events, and a friendly community feel. Now let's talk about the bonus tip. As promised earlier, let's talk about a hidden jewel and a historic centre of Mississauga, which is Clarkson. As a pillar of Mississauga's heritage dating as old as 1808 and also known as the village of Clarkson, has a lot of nature and historical beauty for people to enjoy. The neighborhood is full of history, and the Benares Historic House and Bradley Museum are 2 of the most famous museums in the area. With guided tours in heritage buildings that show more than 100 years of local history, these places give fascinating glimpses into the past. Rattray Marsh is a peaceful haven where wildlife thrives and there are peaceful boardwalk walks. Nature lovers will love it there. Jack Darling Memorial Park, on the other hand, is famous with its waterfront, playground, and other year-round activities that are great for children and people who love being outside. People who love art can enjoy their interests at Harbour Gallery, and people who love old things will love the Barnes classic charm. And Altered States Comics is a hidden gem just ready to be found by comic book fans. With its mix of historical, natural, and cultural sites, Clarkson gives everyone who visits an experience they will never forget. If you found value and if you would like to know more about Toronto's real estate, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials to keep yourself updated. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. Once again, I am Tatlika Sehgal, your real estate expert, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in my next video.